Get ready, it's Dorky Girl vlog time. Oh yeah! What's up, internet? I am on a walk and then I'm going to my brother's house. And we're going to have dinner and a bunch of friends over and have a game night. So I'm pretty excited. So I'm gonna go enjoy my walk, clear my head, and I'll see you guys at my brother's. And there's cars coming. Whole crowd was looking at her. Hey, Stephanie's got boots with the fur.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god, that like sun like white balanced for a second. Oh, I'm falling in ditch holes in the yard.
You tripping, B?
Why you tripping, B? Every time you say that, I miss Brianna. Emily, you going in Ashlyn's swing?
What?
What?
Ashlyn's gonna see this and be like, why was she in my swing?
Why was she at my house?
Like, why was she at my house? Unlike yours, we can both be on here.
Well, once Daddy gets off his butt and puts the other half of the swing set up,
Mommy.
then they can go.
Whoa, this vision looks really weird. Oh my god. Huh?
That was kind of swaying.
No, Brandon's been on it. You want to hold this?
No.
Oh, fine. I'll get a cool camera angle of Emily. No, that doesn't look cool. Oh, look at the sunset in the background.
Mommy.
Boots with the fur. Now that's gonna be stuck in my head.
The whole club are looking at her. Hey.
Hey, Emmy's got furry
You're going
boots, too.
high. You're going super high.
Kick with the boot.
You're gonna kick the internet. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ah! She kicked you.
Stop screaming. Careful, please. Let Mommy do it. You don't do it on purpose.
She's like lifting up out of her seat.
Let's do a 360. Woof.
Inside out boy.
Or like
What the heck's Inside Out Boy?
Pebbles or Bam Bam.
Are you serious?
What?
Or it was Bam Bam from the Flintstones where...
Have you ever heard of Inside Out Boy?
I've heard of it, but I don't know who he is.
Serious. Serious. I don't know who you guys are.
Internet, what's Inside Out Boy? Because we don't know.
Yeah,
We're
put
too
that in the
young.
comments below.
Educate
Put in the
yourself.
comments below.
Educate yourself.
What is that?
Crazy lady.
Ugh!
The straps need to be over your arm.
Ugh! Oh, jeez. You're gonna kick my camera again. Watch out.
Little foot.
The internet doesn't want to be kicked again. She's trying to kick you guys. Don't. You're being abusive to the internet. They don't like that.
Fix this. Put your arm under it.
Tell them I love you.
I love you.
That's better. High five.
High five.
Yeah! High five the internet.
Can't reach.
Here you go. Oh, do it again. Sorry. Do it again. Oh, come on. Hit it. Hit it, dude. Say I love you, internet.
I love you,
Men, there's some
Go
sick
show
men out there,
the
so
internet
it
the
won't matter.
fish.
Hey, one for each
Don't
hand,
drop
for
it.
now.
Okay.
Point it towards you. Point the circle towards
What
it.
was it?
Please hold it.
No, you're gonna hold it.
Okay.
Bring it to them.
$20,000
For the fish.
surgery. Supposedly she did it because she didn't want to look attractive. She also did it because she wanted to rebel because some people said the surgery
Say I'm gonna show you the fish.
couple of
Point the circle at the fish the other way. Turn it.
Okay.
Okay. Point it at the fish. I'll just edit it. Other way, Emmy. Point the part you're holding at the fish.
It is.
Other way. Flip it around. Turn it the other way. Completely flip it. Like this. Move your finger. Hold it here. Right there, right there. See it, internet?
I saw something.
See, he's moving.
He's moving. Emmy likes the fishy.
No, just don't know what is going on. I want to know nothing.
It's a cool fishy.
Oh my god, they're already out of it?
Do you like the fishy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And this fishy.
Isn't that fishy?
Yeah, I want to show the internet.
Oh, that's a cool fish. Let's not drop it. Uncle Brad won't be very happy. It's cool though, huh?
Yeah.
Can you put it back?
Right here.
Yep. Okay, don't touch that one. And don't knock on the fish's glass because you'll scare him.
Okay.
Okay.
Hello!
Yeah, okay, so we just got done with dinner and we're about to play Cards Against Humanity. Chuck's making fart noises over there. God, these are my cards.
Yes, show the internet so I can look at them.
Yep. You'll see them after.
Okay.
The captain's trying to
This is the
speak.
captain speaking. Please shut up.
We are going down.
You didn't.
I have that still.
We gotta
Seriously, play.
listen to that.
You still have it?
I still have
We have
it.
to listen to
We
that.
have to
We had to show
listen to
Jake
it.
and Emily.
This is your captain speaking. Fasten your seatbelts and prepare for another shitty year.
She can't hear you.
Shitty year.
Never did I think this would be playing in my house.
Fasten your seatbelts and prepare for exactly what you expect. Fasten your seatbelts and prepare for historically black colleges. And on your left, you'll see where Martin Luther. Fasten your seatbelts and prepare for graphic violence, adult language, and some sexual content. Fasten your seatbelts and prepare for nothing. Absolutely nothing.
That's amazing.
Fasten your seatbelts and prepare for my sex life. And we're done.
Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for coming.
Thanks for coming. Oh man. Which one, Chuck? Which one? Hurry, waste off.
You always stop.
Only because I like it. Graphic violence, adult language, and some sexual content.
I liked nothing.
Brother Blonde.
Nothing was mine.
That was a very close
I had my sex life. I thought that was gonna win it.
There's
Well, if
certain,
it was my
certain
previous
people
sex
have
life.
certain trump cards.
He just wrote long.
Ready?
Read the card that's in front of him.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Okay. I had genetically engineered super soldiers, puberty, boxing up my
I happened to
feelings,
see it and I was like,
frolicking, crying into the pages of Sylvia Plath, home video of Oprah sobbing into a lean cuisine, The Rapture, bullshit, Shaquille O'Neal's acting career, and dining with cardboard cutouts of the cast of Friends.
Go?
Go.
Right now? Like right this moment? Like at this very second? I had Barack Obama, a robust mongoloid, wifely duties, my inner demons, Gandalf, Count Chocula, Mecha Hitler, taking off your shirt, and the Uber Mensch. I can't even pronounce.
I don't even know what that is.
Is anyone else reading the cards?
cement mixing. I was just fixated on that.
Oh, you're blurred. Ready.
Eating all the cookies before the AIDS bake sale. Rush Lampoon's soft shitty body.
Rush Limbaugh.
Limbaugh, whatever. Fabricating statistics. Medieval times dinner and tournament. A murder most foul. Vietnam flashbacks. Scrotal frostbite.
Oh, that's awful.
Civilian casualties and Das KKK.
Oh.
Well, he had awesome cards.
I don't think we should ever play this endeavor on.
Sorry, internet.
You mean like the ones with the
Whoa,
bigger
phone's going off.
Show daddy those feet.
I wasn't sure what you said.
I didn't say anything, Suri.
The one that I picked
Your
up.
phone's
together,
talking to you.
The two
Emmy.
cards that I picked up at the same time were
Do you want to say goodnight to the internet tonight? Yeah? Alright, here, mommy.
After 2 for.
Alright, guys, I just got home and I am just turned on my Xbox and my computer. So I'm gonna edit. And also, I was just talking with my friends outside and we're thinking about hooking up a GoPro and letting Emily run around with a camera also, and pretty much letting you guys see the world through her eyes for a day. What do you guys think about that? We'll probably still be in it because we're in her life. But what do you guys think about that? And we'll call it toddler vision. The day in the life of Emmy for a day. Write in the comments below what you guys think about that. And make sure to please comment, rate, and subscribe this video. And stay tuned for more videos. And thumbs up, give a thumbs up in the comments. Or just write thumbs up, I mean. I'm a little bit drunk. Yeah, in the comments below though, if you think that that's a good idea. We think it'll be pretty cool. So, with that being said, please cue the outro with Emily saying goodnight to you guys. But before she does, I love you guys. And I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Alright, cue Emily.
Internet. Good night. High five. That was the most powerful high five ever. That was intense.
Oh, you know what's intense?
So there's no to edit all that.
Oh, you know what else is intense?
I don't want to edit your.
It's That Famous Story Girls Vlogs.